Building a green economy needs businesses that retain their competitive edge even as they respect the biodiversity around us. That's why a forerunner initiative like India Business and Biodiversity Initiative matters. Launched on the occasion of International Day for Biological Diversity on 22nd May 2014 in New Delhi, IBBI is a business-led initiative having members from businesses of different sectors. It has an active advisory group with representatives from IBBI member companies along with development organizations, NGOs and academia. It serves as a national platform for businesses and its stakeholders for dialogue, sharing and learning, ultimately leading to mainstreaming sustainable management of biodiversity into businesses. IBBI was initiated by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and supported by GIZ. IBBI is hosted by CII-ITC, Center of Excellence for Sustainable Development. Every 2 years, CEOs of companies who signed up for IBBI make a public disclosure on the progress made on IBBI 10-point declaration and endorse their commitment in sustainable use and conservation of biodiversity in India. IBBI's journey to raise awareness and its efforts at capacity building among its member companies has shown encouraging results. Since 2014, IBBI has been building capacity of its member companies to support signatories on their commitments made to the IBBI Declaration. A tailor-made capacity building program was initiated to support signatory companies on their commitments made on IBBI Declaration. Companies are also being equipped with various tools IBBI also provides certified training program on managing natural capital to all interested companies. As part of its knowledge and awareness communications, it has brought out publications highlighting concepts of natural capital and its relation with biodiversity and ecosystem services. Similarly, webinars and website with member login area have also helped in furthering the goals of the initiative. Special sessions like the one held on the flagship CII Annual Summit saw participants debate, discuss and learn from issues like the value and economic benefits of biodiversity and fair and equitable sourcing in a reputation economy. IBBI is a part of Global Partnership for Business and Biodiversity, a platform that provides the information and tools to support business and also change the way they operate in order to bring in biodiversity-friendly management systems. Out of this understanding emerge corporates who champion the cause of biodiversity. IBBI recognizes these entities and rewards business excellence in biodiversity via the CII-ITC Sustainability Awards. Winners of the awards are role models that inspire others to follow in their footsteps. You too can demonstrate your company's leadership in conserving biodiversity. Integrating biodiversity in business designs will minimize business risks, leading to new business opportunities.